back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the popular shoe company, HeyDude. We're going to dive all in. The links to the application page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, I am trying to mix things up a little bit on this channel, not always sharing the same thing. So I come across this job lead and thought I would share because it's something a little bit different. HeyDude is owned by the Crocs company. I did not know this, but in February of 2022, Crocs acquired or bought out HeyDude. So two shoe companies are owned by the same parent company, but they are looking for an associate sales representative for their sporting goods department for the HeyDude shoe brand. This is remote for the United States only. They don't have any state restrictions. However, I will go ahead and let you know this is going to require a college degree, but they're looking for somebody to be responsible for supporting the HeyDude sales team and their business priorities. So you're going to support all the sales functions, reporting, analyzing reports, sales data. You'll establish the weekly sales reporting and analysis to produce insights. You're going to develop go-to-market presentations, materials, and help coordinate line showings. You'll coordinate product samples and fulfill any retailer requests in a timely manner, completing that retailer product setup prior to each go-to-market. You're going to support the retail marketing programs. So you're going to coordinate with product marketing, finance, and logistic teams and other organizational departments as needed, assisting with selling in and selling through the assigned accounts, identifying and tracking new account opportunities, and maintaining updated accounts and sales records, analyzing and reporting on those accounts weekly. So basically, big companies that are buying these to sell in their sporting goods department, you're going to be keeping up with all the marketing materials and presentations for them. You're going to be making sure that their accounts, their orders are in, their accounts are ready to go. You're going to be reporting on all that, just all things marketing and account maintenance for these bigger companies that are ordering from HeyDude. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who can be customer focused, somebody who can be productive and has an eye for business. Specifically, they're looking for a bachelor degree. It doesn't say that it has to be in any specific field. Of course, you do have to have 1 to 3 years experience in supporting sales, merchandising, or operations. They prefer footwear experience, but that does not have to be required. Great analytical skills. You're going to be looking at all these reporting, and great communication skills. Now, they do want somebody who's proficient in those Microsoft Office systems, Excel, PowerPoint, all of that. And this job is going to require some travel and overnights for different events and things like that. Of course, I am assuming that travel is going to be paid for by HeyDude, but their pay salary range is anywhere from $55,000 a year all the way up to $70,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. And if you enjoyed mixing it up and some different job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.